$50 million, dream bigger. Hey there, dreamers and future millionaires. Tired of that 9-to-5 grind? Ever fantasize about trading your cubicle for a beach in Bali? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to show you how investing $13,500 a month can rocket you towards a cool $50 million retirement. That's right, $50 million. We're not talking about scraping by. We're talking about living the dream. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about harnessing the power of the market, making smart choices, and letting time work its magic. Sound good? Let's dive in. Think about what you could do with $50 million. Travel the world, buy your dream house, help others in need. This is the power of financial freedom, and it's within your reach. Now let's talk about the engine of this money-making machine: compound growth. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but as it gathers snow, it grows bigger and bigger, faster and faster. That's compounding. You invest your money, it earns returns. Those returns get reinvested and earn even more returns. And on it goes, building on itself like a runaway train of wealth. The longer you let it run, the more powerful it gets. This is why starting early is crucial. Even small amounts invested consistently can balloon into a mountain of cash over time. Time is your greatest ally in this game, so don't waste it. Now you're probably thinking, Jim, where do I put my money? It's a common question, and it's one that can feel overwhelming, especially with so many options out there. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're diving into the world of ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These are the superheroes of the investing world, and for good reason. They offer a simple, cost-effective way to diversify your portfolio and gain exposure to a wide range of assets. So let's break it down and see how you can use them to build a robust investment strategy. Don't worry, I've got you covered. ETFs are like baskets of stocks, giving you instant diversification and exposure to different sectors of the market. This means you don't have to pick individual stocks and worry about the performance of each one. Instead, you can invest in a broad range of companies with a single purchase. It's like having a team of all-star players rather than relying on just one or two. I'm talking about ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, the superheroes of the investing world. These financial instruments are designed to track the performance of a specific index, sector, commodity, or other asset. They trade on stock exchanges just like individual stocks, making them easy to buy and sell. Plus, they often come with lower fees compared to mutual funds, which means more of your money stays invested and working for you. They're like baskets of stocks, giving you instant diversification and exposure to different sectors of the market. This diversification helps to spread risk, as you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. If one stock or sector underperforms, the impact on your overall portfolio is minimized. This is especially important in today's volatile market, where uncertainty can lead to significant fluctuations in individual stock prices. We're going to build your portfolio with 4 champions: VOO, VTI, VXUS, and QQQ. Each of these ETFs has its own unique strengths and focuses, allowing you to create a well-rounded investment strategy. Let's take a closer look at each one and see how they can contribute to your financial goals. VOO. This bad boy tracks the S&P 500, the top 500 companies in the US. Talk about a heavyweight. By investing in VOO, you're essentially buying a piece of the largest and most successful companies in America. This includes household names like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. The S&P 500 is often seen as a barometer of the overall US economy, so having VOO in your portfolio gives you exposure to the economic engine of the world. VTI want the whole US market? VTI's got you covered, investing in large, mid-size, and small companies. Boom! This ETF provides exposure to the entire US stock market, from the largest corporations to the smallest startups. It's a great way to capture the growth potential of the entire economy, not just the big players. With VTI, you're investing in the future of American business, from innovative tech companies to established industrial giants. VXUS. Don't forget about the rest of the world. VXUS invests in international companies, spreading your risk and catching those global growth waves. This ETF gives you exposure to markets outside the US, including emerging economies with high growth potential. By diversifying internationally, you can take advantage of opportunities in different regions and reduce your reliance on the US market. It's a smart way to balance your portfolio and tap into global economic trends. QQQ. This tech-heavy ETF is all about innovation, tapping into the powerhouses driving the future. QQQ tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, which includes some of the most dynamic and forward-thinking companies in the world. Think tech giants like Apple, Amazon, and Google, as well as other leaders in biotechnology, telecommunications, and more. Investing in QQQ means you're betting on the future of technology and innovation, sectors that are likely to continue growing and evolving. Think Apple, Amazon, and Google. These companies are at the forefront of technological advancement and have a significant impact on our daily lives. By including QQQ in your portfolio, you're positioning yourself to benefit from the ongoing growth and innovation in the tech sector. These 4 ETFs are the cornerstones of your $50 million journey. They offer a balanced mix of domestic and international exposure, growth potential, and stability. By investing in VOO, VTI, VXUS, and QQQ, you're setting yourself up for long-term success and financial security. They offer broad market exposure, growth potential, and the stability you need for the long haul. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your investment strategy, these ETFs provide a solid foundation for building wealth and achieving your financial goals. So, take the plunge, invest wisely, and watch your portfolio grow. Section 4. Slicing the Pie. How to invest your $13,500 like a pro. Okay, let's talk strategy. Investing can seem daunting, but with a clear plan, you can make your money work for you. The key is to break down your investment into manageable chunks and allocate them wisely. How do we divide that $13,500 each month? Remember, diversification is key. By spreading your investments across different assets, you reduce risk and increase the potential for returns. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Here's how I see it. VOO, $4,050, which is 30%. VOO represents the S&P 500, a collection of the 500 largest companies in the U.S. This gives you exposure to a broad range of industries and a solid foundation for your portfolio. VTI, $3,375, which is 25%. VTI covers the entire U.S. stock market, including small, medium, and large companies. This adds another layer of diversification within the U.S. market. VXUS, $3,375, which is 25%. VXUS focuses on international stocks, giving you exposure to markets outside the U.S. This is crucial for balancing your portfolio and tapping into global growth opportunities. QQQ, $2,700, which is 20%. QQQ tracks the NASDAQ 100, which includes the largest non-financial companies listed on the NASDAQ stock market. This means a heavy focus on tech giants like Apple, Amazon, and Google, providing that extra growth potential. This allocation gives you a balanced approach. By investing in these different funds, you're spreading your risk and positioning yourself for steady growth. It's a mix of stability from established companies and growth from tech and international markets. You're heavily invested in the U.S. market with a good chunk in international companies and a healthy dose of tech for that extra growth potential. This combination ensures that you're not overly reliant on any single market or sector. Remember, this is just a starting point. Your investment strategy should evolve as your financial situation and goals change. Regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. You can adjust your allocations based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. If you're more risk-averse, you might want to allocate more to stable funds. If you're looking for higher returns and can handle more risk, you might increase your tech or international investments. Talk to your financial advisor to fine-tune your strategy. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique financial situation and help you stay on track to meet your investment goals. Investing is a journey, and with the right guidance, you can navigate it successfully. Section 5. Fast forward to freedom. See your future millions. Now let's get to the good stuff. The numbers. Assuming an average annual return of 8%, which is a conservative estimate, here's what your portfolio could look like in the future. 10 years, $2.3 million, 20 years, $6.2 million, 30 years, $16.8 million, 40 years, $45.5 million. Boom! There it is. That's the power of consistent investing and compound growth. Just imagine the possibilities with that kind of wealth. Of course, these are just projections. Market conditions can change, but the message is clear. Start early, stay consistent, and let the market work its magic. Section 6. Stay the course. Don't let the market's mood swing you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jim, what about crashes? What about recessions? Listen, the market is like a roller coaster. It has its ups and downs. But remember, we're in it for the long haul. Don't panic when the market dips. Don't make rash decisions. In fact, market downturns can be opportunities to buy more at lower prices. Remember, we're buying quality companies with solid growth potential. The key is to stay disciplined, stick to your plan, and ride out the storm. Remember that snowball? Keep it rolling, and you'll be amazed at how much wealth you can accumulate. Section 7. Unlock your dreams. The power of financial freedom is yours. Imagine standing on the precipice of your dreams, feeling the wind of possibility at your back. Financial freedom isn't just a distant fantasy, it's a tangible reality that you can achieve with the right mindset and tools. So there you have it, folks. The roadmap to $50 million or more is within your grasp. It starts with a solid plan, a clear vision, and the determination to see it through. With the guidance of a financial advisor, you can chart a course that leads to unparalleled wealth and security. It's not about luck or hitting the lottery. Forget the fleeting dreams of instant riches. True financial freedom is built on a foundation of smart decisions and consistent actions. It's about understanding that wealth is not a game of chance but a result of deliberate and informed choices. It's about making smart choices, investing consistently, and harnessing the incredible power of compound growth. By regularly contributing to your investments and allowing them to grow over time, you can create a snowball effect that accelerates your wealth-building journey. The magic of compound interest means that your money works for you, even while you sleep. Imagine the possibilities. Early retirement. Say goodbye to the 9-to-5 and hello to a life of freedom and flexibility. Picture yourself lounging on a tropical beach, the sun warming your skin, knowing that your financial future is secure. Or perhaps you prefer the tranquility of a scenic trail, hand in hand with a loved one, free from the constraints of a traditional job. Travel the world, explore exotic destinations, immerse yourself in new cultures, and create memories that last a lifetime. Financial freedom opens the door to endless adventures. Whether it's taking selfies in front of iconic landmarks or haggling in a bustling foreign market, the world becomes your playground. Pursue your passions. Write that book, start that business, or finally learn to play the guitar. With financial freedom, you have the time and resources to follow your heart. Imagine sitting in a cozy cafe, penning the novel you've always dreamed of, or strumming a guitar in a sunlit room, letting your creativity flow. The time is now. Financial freedom is more than just money. It's about reclaiming your time and living life on your own terms. Step out of the shadows of financial uncertainty and into the sunlight of a secure future. With determination and the right strategy, you can break free from the constraints that hold you back. It's about having the resources and the time to live life on your own terms. Imagine enjoying a peaceful picnic with your family in the park, or finding serenity while meditating by a tranquil lakeshore. Financial freedom gives you the ability to prioritize what truly matters in life, and that, my friends, is priceless. The joy of shared moments, the contentment of a life well lived, and the peace of mind that comes with financial security are beyond measure. These are the true rewards of financial freedom. So, start investing today, stay the course, and unlock the extraordinary. Begin your journey now by setting up an investment account. Just as planting a seedling in a garden requires care and patience, so does growing your wealth. Nurture your investments, stay committed, and watch as your financial garden flourishes, leading you to a future filled with endless possibilities.